Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and SPX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is intraday. We're gonna see what happened today and what it might happen next. Today in the live stream, we mentioned that this blue box, of course, has to be taken and preferably the 1.618, and this is exactly what it happened right now. We mentioned that we might still have, of course, one more move toward the upside, at least to reach the 1.618, to take the wave 5, finishing wave 3 in the orange, and of course start the move toward the downside later on for a wave 4 in the orange scenario before the continuation for higher prices. And that, of course, because we have finished almost here a 1-2 and then a wave 3, 4, and a 5. So I would say this wave 3 is exactly over there, by the way. Now we have here a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave 3. Wave 4 is unfolding a wave 5 after it. Yeah, so and basically on the wave 2, the wave 4, okay, is a very short time, but still fine. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. For a wave 3 potentially finished, and we are still looking for a little bit higher. So basically I would say 1.618 is a perfect target, guys, for this move toward the upside. And of course after this we start to estimate in case we are moving down or we're gonna get an extension even. We're gonna see, of course, step by step, but currently I would like to watch this target, what's gonna be the reaction there, and therefore of course we start to estimate the next move. So basically, in an overview, yeah, I mean, this is a very strong trend toward the upside here, starting for Nasdaq. We are looking at a potential finishing this wave 5 here in the yellow. Don't forget that this might finish, of course, the whole impulse toward the upside. Let's go to the 4 hours. Yeah, it might finish the whole impulse toward the upside, and this is very understandable to have a wave 5 long extended based on the wave 1. Because normally when you have an impulse, of course, the wave 1 should match a little bit the wave 5. 70% can match, of course, almost the length and also the timing for this wave 5. So I would say this is working perfectly as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 toward the upside to finish a big wave 1, 2, and then continuation simply for higher prices after taking this all-time high. If we move to the SPX, also for the intraday, to see some updates here. So we can see, of course, today also in the live stream we mentioned to be careful. We must still, of course, move toward the upside. It's not done yet, and it has shown some potential internally that, okay, this impulse might still unfold something, because we have here double 1, 2, as I remember. Let me check. Yes, double 1, 2. We have wave 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. So you might still see, of course, higher prices, guys. It's not done yet, and we still, of course, unfolding here a major wave 3, and therefore you have to expect a longer wave 5, because based on the wave 1 in the blue scenario, the wave 5 might be very extended toward the upside. Okay, so we might even get an extended wave 5 internally here. So after 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, the wave 5 even might get very extended toward the upside. So I would say here the target, if we want to have even much precise target for this wave 5 here, based on the wave 3, I would say wave 5 over 1. We might have this area, guys. So, yeah, so very possible 0.618. Also can be possible for a wave 3, for a wave 5 in the blue here. Okay, we have to expect this because I'm seeing now the wave 5 is, of course, extending somehow toward the upside. But we're gonna see step by step. Of course, now on the 15-minute chart, you can see that if you have here kind of like, if this is your wave 1 here and this is your wave 3, well, you have already reached the 1-to-1 fib level for the wave 5. And then I'm still seeing it extended, and that's why I'm saying, okay, it might be extended in a in a much more bigger time. So I would say watch the 6,227 as a next target. It might be, of course, a target for this wave. We might get, of course, even a correction and another extension, because what is unfolding here is one wave 5. Okay, and we have double 1, 2 internally. So I would say 5, 4, 5 maybe can be. But let's watch first step by step. 6,227. Let's see the reaction. and then we take it again from there. So that was it for SPX and Nasdaq. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.